Hey everyone, what's up? This is Major Hashburn here and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can download and use any custom ringtones on any iPhone. That is the latest iPhones. This is the iPhone SE product kit. As you can see, this works on iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Plus, and hopefully the coming iPhones too, running iOS 14. Now what you're going to need for this is two applications, which is GarageBand and Safari. Safari comes pre-installed in almost every Apple device, and GarageBand is something you're going to have to download from the App Store. Now what you're going to do is you're going to head on to Safari first, and you're going to download Z Ringtones. Now I do want to tell you that this is also a fix for my previous tutorial where you weren't able to take any song that you needed due to the Apple Music issue, and you can solve that by searching for Z Ringtone on Safari. You want to go on to the first link that you see, and you can search for any song that you need under ringtones. Now I'm going to go for Tenet, and as you can see, it'll be, you can go under all or it'll be under ringtones as well. I'll just do that for namesakes. So I'm going to choose the second one. Let's see. Let's try the first one. There you go. I'm going to go for that. Now what you want to do is you want to click on it. I'm just going to hold it, open it there, and just click on download. You can use the application, but I'd prefer using in Safari. Just click download, wait 10 seconds. So done with that, click on download. And now it should be saved into my downloaded files. Now you can use this for almost any song and you should be able to find it here. And next up, what you want to do is you want to head on to GarageBand. You want to go into audio recorder. I'm just going to click new here. Sorry. You want to go into audio recorder. You want to click on the icon on the top left that looks like a mini keyboard. That's right here. And then you're going to hit the loop icon. And then you can choose from two. You can either choose from the music that you have, that is from music, or you can choose from files. Now in this case, I downloaded files, so I'm going to click on files, press browse items, and then you want to find the ringtone that you just downloaded. Mine was Tenet in this case. You're going to wait for it to pop up here. Once it comes here, you want to hold your file down. And then you just want to place it right at the beginning. Now, normally with any other song, you're going to have to trim it down to 30 seconds because Apple only allows 30 seconds for a ringtone. But since this is already a ringtone, it should be already within that time limit. For reference, you can check my previous tutorial that I've made on this. Now you want to uncheck this button here so the sound does not come. And we can play it once just to see if it works. And there you go. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on My Songs, and then you're going to hold it down, and you're going to click on Export or Share, and you're going to click on Ringtone, and you can name it to whatever you want. I'm going to leave it as My Song 4, and then you're going to click Export. Now once you're done with that, you just want to press OK. And it should be in your list of ringtones. Now you want to head back into settings. You want to go back into sounds and haptics. Go into ringtone. And now you can choose the song that you want. And in the tutorial's case, we have used Tenet. The name was My Song 4. And now let's test it out. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you can use any song, any custom ringtone for your iPhone SE 2020 or any other phone that has released as of 2020. Make sure to hit a like, hit that subscribe button as it really helps me out. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to comment below and I'll try my best to get to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and stay safe.